Watch out, puppy. I don't think he's going to hop in there, buddy. There you go. Go up the hill, baby. Go up the hill. See how it goes up the hill. Go up the hill, the ditch, right there. No. Put it in reverse. You're supposed to keep going, baby, not let off the gas. It doesn't have enough tread.